Have you ever experienced moments where your heart races uncontrollably or your stomach feels tied up in knots? Do you find yourself constantly battling digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, or discomfort? If so, you're not alone. The connection between our stress levels, digestion, and heart health is undeniable, yet often overlooked in our hectic lives. Welcome to our channel, where we're committed to unraveling the intricacies of managing stress to optimize both digestive and heart health. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common companion, affecting our bodies in profound ways. But how can we regain control and find balance amidst the chaos? By subscribing to our channel, you're embarking on a journey towards understanding and addressing the impact of stress on your body. Understanding the relationship between stress, adrenaline levels, digestion, and heart health is the first step towards reclaiming your well-being. In this video series, we'll explore practical strategies, dietary tips, and lifestyle changes that can help you lower adrenaline levels naturally, supporting digestive health and promoting a healthier heart. So if you're ready to take charge of your health and embark on a path towards greater vitality and wellness, hit that subscribe button now and join us on this transformative journey. Together, let's navigate the complexities of stress, digestion, and heart health to achieve a happier, healthier life. Understanding adrenaline. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress or danger. It triggers the body's fight or flight response, increasing heart rate, dilating airways, and redirecting blood flow to muscles. While this response is crucial for survival in threatening situations, chronic stress can lead to excessive adrenaline production, disrupting digestion and straining the heart. By understanding the role of adrenaline in our bodies, we can better manage stress and its effects on our overall health. Learning to regulate adrenaline levels through lifestyle changes and stress management techniques is essential for promoting digestive health and maintaining a healthy heart. Effects of high adrenaline on digestion. High adrenaline levels can wreak havoc on digestion, leading to a range of uncomfortable symptoms. When the body is in a constant state of stress, digestion may be compromised, resulting in issues such as indigestion, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Additionally, adrenaline inhibits the production of digestive enzymes and reduces blood flow to the digestive organs, further exacerbating digestive problems. Chronic stress can also contribute to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and exacerbate existing gastrointestinal issues. By addressing stress and lowering adrenaline levels, individuals can alleviate digestive discomfort and promote better overall digestive health. Effects of high adrenaline on heart health. Excessive adrenaline production can have detrimental effects on heart health. When the body is constantly under stress, adrenaline levels remain elevated, leading to increased heart rate and blood pressure. Over time, this chronic stress response can contribute to the development of cardiovascular issues such as hypertension, high blood pressure, arrhythmias, and even heart disease. Additionally, high adrenaline levels can strain the heart, increasing the risk of heart palpitations and chest pain. By managing stress and lowering adrenaline levels through lifestyle modifications and relaxation techniques, individuals can support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications. Strategies to lower adrenaline levels. Several effective strategies can help reduce adrenaline levels naturally and promote overall well-being. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as walking, yoga, or Tai Chi, can help lower stress levels and promote relaxation. Incorporating mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can also help calm the mind and lower adrenaline production. Prioritizing adequate sleep and practicing good sleep hygiene are essential for regulating stress hormones. Additionally, adopting a balanced diet rich in whole foods, fiber, and antioxidants can support adrenal health and reduce stress. By implementing these strategies consistently, individuals can lower adrenaline levels, mitigate the effects of chronic stress, and enhance overall health and vitality. Dietary approaches. Adopting a balanced and nourishing diet plays a crucial role in regulating adrenaline levels and promoting overall well-being. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, can provide the body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support adrenal health. Additionally, limiting consumption of caffeine, sugar, and processed foods can help prevent spikes in adrenaline levels and stabilize blood sugar. Including omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts can also help reduce inflammation and support adrenal function. By prioritizing a wholesome diet filled with nutrient-rich foods, individuals can optimize adrenal health and better manage stress levels for improved overall health and vitality. Mind-body practices. Incorporating mind-body practices into daily routines can be highly effective in lowering adrenaline levels and promoting overall well-being. Practices such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises help activate the body's relaxation response, reducing stress hormones like adrenaline. These techniques enhance mindfulness, cultivate a sense of inner calm, and improve resilience to stressors. Additionally, practices like progressive muscle relaxation and guided imagery can further promote relaxation and reduce tension in the body. By dedicating time to these mind-body practices regularly, individuals can enhance their ability to manage stress, improve emotional well-being, and support overall adrenal health for greater vitality and balance in life. Understanding the effects of high adrenaline levels on our bodies and implementing strategies to lower them is crucial for promoting overall health and well-being. By addressing stress through lifestyle changes, relaxation techniques, and dietary modifications, individuals can effectively manage adrenaline levels and support adrenal health. Remember, taking proactive steps to lower adrenaline can not only alleviate symptoms like digestive discomfort and heart palpitations, but also reduce the risk of long-term health complications. Don't miss out on future content aimed at empowering you to take control of your health and well-being. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on our latest videos and join our community of like-minded individuals committed to living a balanced and vibrant life.